Now, example number 2. What is the electrostatic force between two protons if they are 200 micrometer apart? So we have here the given. So since we are dealing with protons, we can have Q positive. Okay, depende sa imo on how you're going to represent that one. Basta may Q lang, which is a proton. So we have a constant value for proton, and that is positive 1.6 times 10 to negative 19 coulomb. Take note, you need to remember this constant value for charge. So it's positive if it is proton and negative if it's for electron. And the distance between them, we have R, which is 200 micrometer. And this 200 micrometer is equivalent to 200 times 10 to negative 6 meter. Okay, so in this problem, we are looking for the electrostatic force. Okay, you can also label F1, F2 ha. You can have F1, 2 if ang diri nakabutang is Q1 and Q2. Okay, and for the formula, Fe is K, Q positive, kaya the same na sila, then R squared. And for the free body diagram, we have okay, positive, then another positive, and the distance between them is 200 times 10 to negative 6 meter. Okay. We try for the solution. Sige, pwede lang diya. Kaigo lang di siya. So, Fe, we have KQ positive over R squared. That is 9 times 10 to the 9th Newton meter squared per coulomb squared times 1.6 10 to negative 19 coulomb. You can have it times or 2 times and that is okay. What's the answer for this? You try first on your own there. Don't forget na always siya may squared ha. Okay, so in this problem, this is equal to 180 newtons. Okay. Okay, can you follow? Okay, let's try to solve the net electrostatic force of the given charges. Since we are dealing with net electrostatic force, meaning we need to add because we are referring to the sum of the two electrostatic forces. So in this given example, we have Q1, Q2, and Q3. And since if ever you are given a problem tapos wala sang involved na charges, so meron ka mo assumption that these charges are represented by proton or electron. So kay negative ang Q1, that is negative 1.6 times 10 to negative 16 coulomb. And for Q2, kay positive siya, positive 1.6, 19. Negative 19. Okay, so this is raised to negative 19 coulomb. And this one, positive negative 19 coulomb. And 1.6 times 10 raised to raised to negative 19 coulomb. Okay, since it's the net electrostatic force, we will get first the charges. So it's F12 plus F23. Okay. Clarification for example number 3, please add there, dapat may on siya. On, okay, on Q2. Meaning, you will add the net electrostatic forces that acts on Q2. So, kay Q2 ang imong center, the forces that acts on Q2 are F12 and F23. Kay later, kung ang ipamangkot naman karon niya is the forces that acts on Q3. Kung Q3 meaning F13 and F23. Kung ang force nga nag-act on Q1, meaning those are F12 and still F13. Muna siya. So in this problem, we need to specify if where does the force acts upon. So in this case, it acts on Q2. So kay Q2 siya, we have F12 and F23. That is equal to the F net or the net electrostatic force. Okay, so our step 1 will be solving for F12. Okay, so for F12, we have, so this is Q1, Q2 over R squared. So by the way, when you encounter problems involving 3-point charges, you need to take the absolute value. In addition absolute value in addition sa concept. Kung 3-point charges kita, please take the